Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all recipe of chicken rolls. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 3½ cup of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of yeast, ½ tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of milk. Now in a bowl add sugar, yeast, oil, milk and mix well. Now add dry ingredients. Now start kneading the dough. Add water as much as required. Now apply little oil on the dough and cover it and let it rest for about 1 hour. Now let's start preparing the filling. We need 1 bowl of chopped onion, 1 bowl of tomato, ½ tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 bowl of boiled and shredded chicken, ½ bowl of green bell pepper, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of red chili powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin powder and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we need 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now in a pan add little oil and then add onion. Cook onions until they turn into golden brown color. Now add chicken. Mix well. Add ginger garlic paste. Now add all the spices. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add tomatoes. Add green bell pepper. Cook until tomatoes are translucent. Chicken filling is ready. Now let's start preparing the rolls. As you can see, dough has doubled in size. Now take half of the dough. Start spreading the dough with rolling pin. Cut them into triangle shapes. Now add 1 teaspoon of the filling and then start folding it. Grease the baking tray with little oil and then place rolls. Now take a bowl and add little milk and then start applying milk on the rolls. It will give a good color. Now bake them in oven on 200 degrees Celsius temperature for about 15 minutes or until they turn into golden color. As you can see, the bread rolls have got the beautiful golden color. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.